Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Circuits from Pandabood Tutorials. In today's video we will be building series and parallel circuits. Now, as you watched before, as you explored with me before, when I have more light bulbs, I have more resistance, and therefore I will have less brightness. They will be dimmer because there's less current. Now, is there a way to fix this without adding more voltage, without adding more batteries, without playing with the resistance? How can I have 3 light bulbs working with the same brightness as this one, but using only 1 voltage? So that's why we have to study series and parallel connection. This connection is called a series connection, in which all the light bulb are put in series, one after another after another. This is called a series connection. Now this connection, as you can see, the more light bulbs you have, less electricity you will get, less brightness. Is there a way to keep the electricity or the brightness the same in each light bulb? Yes, there is. Now let's bring in one battery and see how we can do that. One battery, and I have 1, 2, 3 light bulbs. Now, if I need to connect this battery to these light bulbs, but keeping the brightness the same, keeping the electrons flowing in each one of them the same, I will have a different connection called parallel connection. And the reason we call it this, because we put them in parallel. We don't put them next to each other as in the series circuit, we put them in parallel. Now let's bring the wire, and you will connect the first circuit normally as you did for this one. Now this is our normal circuit. Now if you need to connect this light bulb to the same circuit, all what you need to do is to get another path, another way for electricity to flow. So electricity is coming this way, and now it can go to this light bulb or to this light bulb. So it has 2 different paths in which it can flow, and then coming back again to the same point, to the battery, and then the third one will be connected the same way. Now as you can see, now I have 3 light bulbs, but the difference between this parallel circuit and the series one is here I have only 1 way for electricity to flow, but here I have 1, 2, 3 ways in which electricity can flow. So let's turn the circuit on and see. Boom! 3 light bulbs with 1 battery, but the same brightness as 1, and way more than connecting them in series. And if you want to check, look, there's no tricky games here. This is 9 volts, this is also 9 volts. These are the same 10 ohms light bulbs, the same as these, but just because the way I'm connecting them, I'm saving the electricity. So they are not using the same energy. Each of them is using the total energy made by the battery because of the connection. Electricity have 1, 2, 3 ways. They will only use the same energy if they are all in the same way, and that's why series connection is not the best to use at home. Why? Because if you connect everything in series at home, they will all use the same energy and they will not be working at their best. Another benefit about using a parallel circuit, think about this is your home and you have 3 light bulbs in 3 different rooms. One of them was gone, one of them was broken. What will happen? All the rooms' light bulbs will be off because it's connected in series. So there is only 1 way. So if your light bulb is broken, or if your light bulb is missing, there will be a gap in the circuit, and then the others will not work too. But if I disconnect one of them here, others will still be working. If if I disconnect this, this will still be working. Why? Because they're connected in parallel. The electricity can't go in this way, but it can go in this way and it's still complete because it has its own path. Disconnecting other light bulbs from parallel circuit, or if they're broken or like something happened in them for any reason, the others will still be working. And of course, as you guessed, if I add more light bulbs in this circuit, electricity will be even less. The brightness will be dimmer. But if I keep connecting as much as I can in parallel, it will not affect any of this, and the brightness will be the same. So that's why parallel circuits are better. Parallel circuits are used in our houses. That's it for today's video. In the final part for this series, we will build some electrical circuits together. See you next time. Pandabood.